Hi everyone, I am here courtesy of Harper's to say, would you like to come to bed with me? Okay, let's go. So I'm in my bathroom and for you guys, I'm gonna do this a bit early, but normally I would do it a little bit later. I have my DIPTYQUE candle. Number 34 is what I'm really obsessed with right now. So I'm just gonna light that. Very exciting. Ooh, just to make my brain and body know that it is time to go to bed. You're not gonna see this in shot, but just know that it is wafting. Know that it is wafting around the room. To begin with, I'm gonna start with my Take the Day Off cleansing balm. It's this oily kind of texture that is just gonna make all of the makeup that I have on my skin come off. So I'm just gonna apply that. As you can see, it's really, just get in there. I gotta get my eyes and all of that stuff. Oh yeah, we're looking sexy now. Excuse me for a moment while I just go and wipe this off. Okay, so I'm just wiping it all away. Right, I'm continuing to wipe, but my hair's in the way, so I have to do this again. It's too much, getting too intense up in here. Okay, that's better. So this is it, coming off. And I'm feeling very calm because I have my beautiful candle going, which is just delicious. Excuse for sirens. We are in London after all. So that's step one. One and done. And now I'm gonna use my All About Clean Clinique Cleansing Milk. Beautiful, gorgeous. Now this also technically is a makeup remover. And when I've been wearing as much makeup as I had on just then, you just wanna make sure that you've got it all off because it's very important to keep your face really nice and clean. So, down I go. Taking it all off. It just feels so good taking off your makeup. Do you know what I mean? When you've had lots on and boom, there it goes. And then what I do, just like to give my skin a little pat down. A little pat down dry because it's still a bit soppy and a bit wet. Hot. Hot. You guys are so lucky to get to see this. But now my skin is clean and it is dry. And so what we do next is Clinique Clarifying Lotion, my favorite product. And this is 1.0 for me because I got that sensitive skin. So we don't want to do anything any stronger than that. So sorry, what I've done is I've just put it on this guy and I'm just gonna make sure that it's all off. I am really quite rigorous about having very, very, very clean skin, but what you'll see now is you just see me do 2 cleanses, right? And guess what happened? Boom, I still got makeup on my skin. We've cleansed, we've toned, we're ready to moisturize, baby. Smart Clinical Repair. Serum, wrinkle correcting serum. I'm sorry, it's not serum to give you wrinkles, it's serum to do the opposite. So I'm just gonna do a couple of pumps of this guy and then I'm just gonna gently apply it on my skin. I mean, it's this guy really, isn't it? Largely speaking. And you must apply gently. I swear to God, I'm doing this so much nicer than what I would do at home. What I would do at home would be a very different story indeed. And then, my friends, we apply my favorite, my baby, the queen of the pops. And this guy is just delicious to put on because it is jelly. Ooh. This is quite fun to put on. And genuinely, you don't need that much. Even that's quite a lot. So as you can see, I keep applying, you can't see because I keep doing it out of shot, idiot. I apply creams and serums to my hand first, and then we dot it, we dot it, we dot it, we dot it, and then we rub it in. Oh, delicious. Yummy. And now, what I would do, as of now, is I would run a bath. I love you guys, but I'm not taking my clothes off for you. So, what I would do if I was in the bath is I would run my bath with my yummy DIPTYQUE candle, and I would then apply in that bath Suzanne Kaufmann's St. John's Wort bath salts, and it smells really good. Really, oh God, it's so yummy. And I would put that in my bath that I would have scalding hot, and I would just sit there and soak for ages. And then on coming out of the bath, I would then apply, this is magic for me right here, the magnesium CBD cream with melatonin. Like literally, how many more ways could you try and get to sleep? This guy is the champion. So I will apply that all over my body, then I would roll it out, because I get really tight. Like my muscles get really tight. This guy is amazing. This is my travel one, because I'm traveling right now. And it goes flat like that, and you can just pack it, and then magic, eh? What's it called? BRAZYN Performance Life. So I would roll on that, but again, you're not going to see it in shots. So this guy, and then before I go to bed, I would pop this guy on. So we can do this now. Give my hair a little brush through, like the Princess and the Pea. A little brush through, and then apply my. This is the one I actually use. It's a little bit. Feels like it's a little bit grubby. And it is my sleep mask to go to sleep. So I pop this on. I put some wax earplugs in. And I go to bed. So I just want to say thank you so much for coming to bed with me. Good night.